I know when you look at me, you go, wow, that is an adventurer.
This is actually what I wore on my wedding night.
Oh! Hey guys, this is Phil.
Pleasure, Phil. I am underdressed.
Are you hungry?
You know me.
Yeah, I do.
Your Majesty, I think we have enough respect for one another personally to ask ourselves some of the bigger questions, woman to woman. We are the same age after all.
Really?
Just 6 months between us.
Oh? And who is the senior?
I am, ma'am.
Yes, it's true.
This is the final season of The Good Place, but
I promise you.
I promise you.
I promise you.
Everything.
Everything is fine.
Season 4 of The Good Place will be the last. Our writers and creator have decided this is where the story ends.
What if you were made for this? To withstand the storm, to beat the odds.
Are you up for the challenge?
Yes.
What if believing in yourself is only the beginning?
Would you sing for us?
Oh, what a fun!